Hello friends, I'm going to make salmon fish fry with my style. Let's make it. Let's make the marinade first. 1 teaspoon of paprika. It's a smoked paprika. Chili powder. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Salt to taste. Turmeric powder. Let's mix everything. Time to add ginger garlic paste. Mix everything very good. Paste for marinade is ready. Time to put spices on fish. Put your marination paste on the both sides. Marinate your fish for 1 hour. Now it's time to fry. Put some oil on the pan. Perfect salmon fish is ready. Try your salmon fish this way. It's very crunchy and very delicious, friends. Hello friends, I'm going to make an egg on the bread with cheese. Let's see how it's going to work. First of all, you have to make a big hole in the middle of the bread. I make a hole in the middle of bread. Now we only need the yolk of the egg, the yellow part. And put some butter on the back side. Yellow part perfectly in the middle. Let's put some more butter on the top. Put some black pepper on top. Salt to taste. Time to put cheese on top. Now it's time to bake, my friends. Wow! Wow, looks very delicious. Time to eat now. It's a perfect breakfast. Let's open from the middle. You can see, my friends, the yolk is cooked. It's very easy to make. It's very delicious, my friends. Try it and follow me and share with others. Thank you. Hey friends, I'm going to make sweet popcorns. Let's make it. I need some corn, some sugar, 1 pan and some cooking oil. Let's start the procedure. Put the flame medium. Spread the sugar like this. Make a round of sugar like that. This is sugar. Sugar is little bit melting now. And add the corn like that. Put the cooking oil on top. Mix everything very good. You can see the sugar is already melt in the oil, and now we have to do that for a while. Time to cover and wait for the popcorns. You can hear the sound, my friends. Wow, smells very delicious. Popcorns are ready. Look at them, they looks very delicious. It's very easy recipe, friends. Try it at home. Sweet popcorns. Please follow me and share with others.